what should a citizen do at home when he has garbage, two kinds of garbage, one is the wet garbage and this e-waste.
Yes.
What should a citizen do when he has e-waste, what we explained?
Yes. So now because e-waste, the government has given us this legislation, there are collection centers that have been introduced. In fact, we are running one collection center in Koramangala, in Ejipura near the National Games Village. So likewise, there are several other collection centers which are coming up. Some of these collection centers have been...
I want to intervene here. How do you identify these collection centers? Is there some kind of because we don't know, we will be going around. How to identify a collection center?
The collection centers, I mean, now Saahas is one of the few organizations that are working very closely with the Karnataka Pollution Control Board to set up these collection centers, along with also MATE. MATE is the Producers Association, Electronic Producers Association. So MATE is also taking very active interest in e-waste management, and through this partnership, we are setting up several e-waste bins at public locations. There are a whole lot of these public locations where we have already introduced the e-waste bin, and that's on our website, which people can look at. So
people should go there and drop this e-waste?
They are expected to go and drop it. They can also call either Pollution Control Board office, they can call the Saahas office, find out where these collection centers are, and if they have larger quantities of e-waste, there are also organizations that come and collect the e-waste. The authorized e-waste recyclers,
like companies, IT companies,
they will come and collect the e-waste from the area where it is generated.
Vilma, what is greenhouse emission? What exactly? A lot of people talk about it, but people have no knowledge about it.
Well, there are a whole lot of greenhouse gases, and the most important greenhouse gases which contribute significantly to climate change are carbon dioxide.
How do they made? How do these gas come? They are from the e-waste?
No, not just from e-waste, but from all kinds of waste. When you put food waste and even paper, plastic into a landfill, into a dump site, and you just cover it and you keep on every day adding more and more, you have a situation where there is no air in that system. And when there is no air in the system, all the bacteria and the microbes which are there in that food waste and in the rest of your garbage, they start emitting methane. There is a certain chemical process that takes place, and that releases methane, which is methane and even carbon dioxide, both of which are greenhouse gases, both of which contribute significantly to climate change. So that is the danger.
Are they very toxic gases?
They are toxic because they are also increasing the temperature of our environment.
So we have to curb that.
Yes, and in addition to the greenhouse gases, when you have waste in a landfill or a dump site, you have, for instance, in that material, you have leachate, the liquid that comes out from your waste. Some of it is toxic. It could be nitrates, it could be, all kinds of heavy metals. Like I said, you have heavy metals in e-waste. That can leach into your groundwater and into your soil, which causes additional problems in health.
Vilma, not many of us know how to dispose of an old computer or a laptop. We usually give it to the Radiwala. We don't know what he does with it.
Yes.
Do these bins what you plan to keep, can it accommodate an entire computer there?
So that's what we're saying. Basically, the bins that we have put in our collection centers are for regular smaller volumes of, for smaller pieces of or smaller products, e-waste products. But when you have a computer or when you have something bigger, you can call a authorized recycler and he will come and pick it up. But you can also drop it in our center, which is at Ejipura. So these are selected centers which are also, you have field staff there who will accept this material. You don't place it into a bin, but you can give it, hand it over to our person.
We have a center, you said.
We have a
center. Is there any telephone number we can talk to them and go there?
You can call, yes.
What is the number?
You can call, should I give the number?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. You can call our office at 416-89889.
So you can call and explain and then go and hand over.
Yes.
Vilma, I believe you have set up an e-waste collection centers everywhere. You have said you have set up. is it right across Bangalore, or are they specific to West Bangalore or East Bangalore or any such thing?
No, our collection centers are across Bangalore. Whilst we have public locations where people can drop their e-waste, as I mentioned, we also set up these collection centers in apartments and offices. So even the offices and apartments who are interested to have their own collection mechanism can become a collection center. So, and we will then
go
to
and collect it. Okay,
yes.
fine, that's correct. Vilma, how much waste does Bangalore generate every day? How much of it is e-waste?
4,800 tons of waste per day. That is the figure that we've been given currently, which is a modest figure also. E-waste is actually a very small percentage of it, because e-waste is not disposed every day. The shelf life of e-waste is longer, but it is a small percentage, but because of the toxicity of the e-waste, it becomes an important waste stream.
How much waste does Saahas handles every day?
Well, we handle about 7 tons per day.
7 tons per day.
Yes, yes.
Vilma, what does winning the prestigious Namma Bengaluru Award mean to you? Mean to Saahas rather?
See, waste is not something that people enjoy working with. Yeah, but somehow we've found that waste is something that can be very stimulating. And there are so many solutions around waste. For us, winning this award, and we would like to thank the Namma Bengaluru Foundation for giving us this award. For us, really, this award is an endorsement of the work that we have done, the recognition that, you know, waste is something that people need to put attention to if we have to have a city that all of us can be proud of. So really, the award means a lot to us.
Thank you. Vilma, let us